RAS tank installation 10 diameter with iron mesh and GI sheets. Complete installation has been completed. Now it will take some more time to install filters. Filter will be installed after uh, water filling and testing. It's a Uttarakhand. Village name is Pokhri. Post office Dudar Khal. It's RAS installation, tank 10 diameter. One HP motor has been installed for aeration purpose. 8 number of aeration pipe will be provided. Oxygen aeration spider installed. 6 number of spider installed in 10 diameters. Beautiful view, beautiful installation, and installation has been completed in terms of oxygen, in terms of aeration systems, spiders aerations, liner, iron mesh, zinc sheet. Now only water filling is pending. It's Dudar Khal. Mr. God. The owner name is Mr. God.